Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to use the green screen effect in the Instagram Edits app. So if you want to pop up an image and refer to it, this is your video. Go into the Instagram Edits app on your phone, and on the bottom right, click the plus icon to start a new video, and then click Camera. And you'll see on the left-hand side, there's the green screen option. So click that, and here we are, beautiful green screen. Change background on the top, and you can pick a photo. So I'm just picking this photo of a book, and to start recording, you just press the red button like so. Hello, check out this book that I saw at a bookstore yesterday. And then to stop the video, to pause it, you press the red button again, and now I can change the background, add a completely different image, change background, and start the video again. And I also saw Dolly's book. Stop the video, and you can do this as many times as you want, but then when you're ready to edit, you choose the little white square with the triangle caret on the bottom right, and now you're in the regular Instagram Edits screen. So to edit a clip, you just press on the clip, it'll highlight it in yellow, and then you'll see the slide bars on the left and the right. You just press and hold and slide. So you get it exactly where you want to start. Let's see that. Let's press play.
Hello, check out.
I'm going to cut off a little bit more of the front.
Hello, check out this
It's fine.
book that I saw at a bookstore yesterday.
So I'm going to stop it there, and I can either slide the right slide bar in, or I can press split on the bottom and it'll split it there and make that a new clip. And then I could just press delete and delete that clip. Either way, it doesn't matter, just showing you some options. So let's see the next clip.
And I also saw.
So I know I want to start it right there, so I'll just slide that side.
And I also saw Dolly's book.
And I'll slide this one in. And of course here you can add audio, add a song to it. Sure. And then I want to adjust that because when you listen back,
Hello, check out this book that I saw at a bookstore.
you can hardly hear me and you can very much hear the music. So I'm going to click on the music to make sure it's highlighted. And then on the bottom, I'll choose volume and slide that baby right down. I like to put it at like a 3. Let's do 4. Let's see what that sounds like.
Hello, check out this book that I saw at a bookstore yesterday. And I also saw Dolly's book.
I think a 4 is plenty. You can also fade the clip out. If you press fade, you can fade it in and out so it'll gradually come on and then gradually come out, one or the other or both, up to you. And then make sure that you add captions so that our deaf and hard of hearing friends can enjoy your video as well. Or a lot of times people watch these reels on mute, and so they want to read what you're saying. So you click captions and generate captions. Instagram does a pretty good job with the captions, but you will likely need to edit them.
Book that I saw at a bookstore yesterday. And I also saw.
So to edit them, this was very easy, so it didn't need edits, but you just click on the clip, edit, and then you can click into these and edit as you wish. So when you're all finished, you just export on the top right, and then you'll choose where you want to export to, whether you want to download it to your phone, Facebook, Instagram. So I chose Instagram. I can click edit cover and slide to where I want the cover to be. Profile grid. You can adjust the profile grid, make it bigger, smaller, and then add your caption here, and then share. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.